All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got another mix for y'all we're trying out. This one is called Corn Syrup Surprise. Yes, Corn Syrup Surprise. Well, it's in the name. We've got corn syrup. I know this ain't Cairo, but it's just as good. But now we're putting some syrup in there, mixing that in with the corn. And then the surprise, ta-da, is vanilla, cinnamon, sugar seasoning. This is Adam's extract. Doggy. Wow. It almost kind of reminds me of a fireball. Yeah, it's going to be a party under the feeder tonight. I'm not putting a lot. I'm not going to put a lot in there. I'm going to mix this kind of light because it is kind of strong. And you find a stick that's not a snake, or you find a piece of rebar that's been baking in the sun all day. God damn, son of a bitch. Woo! But here we go. We got the camera back here in the back. And that's it. Let's see what we got coming in. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what we got going on.